There are a number of different ways of identifying your pigs for the official reasons for DEFRA. In front of me here we've got a number of different tag types, and I'll just run through them. This first one is a metal tag, which is what a lot of people use for taking their pigs to slaughter. So the tag has an official herd number, which is 2 letters and 4 digits, 4 numbers. With these tags I would tend to put them in the back of the ear, as that's usually softer and easier to apply. With all tags you need to try and avoid any veins that are prominent within the ear. The alternative to that, instead of tagging, and this is perfectly acceptable, is to use a slap marker. So you put ink onto the sponge here, apply ink to the tattoo set, and then slap pigs on both sides on the front shoulder. And this again has the herd mark for the farm with 2 letters and 4 digits. Here we have a management tag and an official tag because it has the UK unique number here and also a number for the pig. I would tend to use these for breeding animals as these are more expensive. And then finally we have these tags here which have nothing on. These can be written on. You can buy special pens that eat into the plastic and keep the information. But you're not allowed to put your herd mark on here. You have to use an officially stamped tag with your herd mark if you're going to use them for official reasons. These tags you can write, for instance, the tattoo number of your pig or its name or any other number, and it's simply there so that you can identify them for management reasons when they're on the farm.
Right, tattooing. There's basically 2 different types of tattoo pliers. We've got one type which has got 2 rows. The top line would be our 3 HDL letters, which are all unique to each herd. The bottom line is the pig's actual ear number. Or you could use an alternative type where it's all in one line. As the pig grows, the tattoo will grow with the pig. We always start with the males first, and then we do the females. The process. What we like to do is to make sure we've got a bit of paste on the toothbrush. We'll decide where we want to put it on the ear, trying to avoid the veins if we possibly can, making sure it goes right in and crunches. And then when we've taken it off, we'll a little bit more ink and we'll rub it in strongly so that it gets right into the ear and right into the pins. We'll do that in both ears. And that basically is all there is to it.